Eric here from Vicious Cycle. Today we're going to take a quick look at the R&G Tail Tidy for the Suzuki DR-Z400. On our display bike here, the previous owner had lovingly removed this monstrosity that Suzuki provides you with and installed a DRZ tail light. We're still not happy with the overall look and support, so we're going to take a look at this R&G item. It's got a nice clear lens. We're going to get this mounted up and see how it goes. Let's take a look. So one of our first tasks here, we need to remove the seat on the bike so we can get to some of the wiring that's hidden underneath it. Pull in our factory wires here through. Just going to remove this tail light and we'll get ready to install the R&G unit. Now I'm just checking fitment here on the R&G unit. I have that loosely fitted. You can see where our R&G tail light's going to go here. Let me get this all wired up. Just going to clean this up a little bit, tidy it up underneath the bike, re-put on my seat, and we'll go from there. Let's go take a look at what this light does. Got the new R&G Tail Tidy on our Suzuki DR-Z400. Thanks for watching.